I really love these little communities that you find living together in nature. Here we have plantain and red clover. We have dandelion and daisy. All these little plants growing together. We don't have one saying to the other, "No, you're not like me, you can't live here." Just little plant communities sharing space. There's some grasses in there. Other tiny little plants that I don't know. We've got buttercup on the way. Living in harmony together. Plant communities. What do they have in common? They're plants.